leaves that I purchased from the Dollar Tree, my favorite little spot to get arts and crafts. Hello fall. Hi guys, so today I'm going to use these artificial fall leaves and make these wonderful, beautiful earrings. So what you'll see here, you'll see the leaves painted using nail polish, and on the back is just letter. You can also, if you want, take the same fall leaf and put it on the back, so that way both is rotating back and forth. But that's the DIY for today, guys. All right, so let's get started. Oh yes, so you know fall leaves come in many colors: red, yellow, green, and gold, and of course orange. Okay, so guys, what you do is you take your fall leaf, and you paste it onto the back of this leather strip, such as I did here. And then you're gonna wait for it to dry. So I'm gonna show you here, taking one of these leaves, take the leaves, and then you take the strip. This is some old scraps that I had laying around. So what you do, take some glue. I'm using here the clear tacky glue. You know, sometimes this is not as strong, but for now I'm gonna use this one for you guys to demonstrate. And you just put some glue on it, and I'm gonna show you. Alright, and you would just use a craft stick, and if you notice, you see, you're gonna just spread the glue a little evenly. See, you just spread the glue a little evenly, right? A little evenly, and then you leave, and you just paste it right on there. Paste it wherever it could fit, and you just press. If you need more glue, you just put a little bit more. And you just wait for that to dry. Then after it dries, you would just cut the leaf out, right? You would just cut around the leaf. Cut to the best that you can. Shaping it out wonderfully. See so far? You see? And see, the back is still black, which is cute. But if you want, you could put another leaf on the back of it. Or you want, I could just paint it with gold glitter, just to give it a little shimmer. But this is a backing to give it the hardness. And here it goes. See the fall leaf, however you want. And you could shape it out a little bit more and give it a little neatness, which I'm gonna do. And so using your hole puncher, right? You just punch a hole right anywhere you want along the base of it, just of the base, right there. See, I may be a little too close. Let's see. See, tiny little hole right there. You take your jump ring, right? Open it, pulling it apart like a piece of paper, like you're tearing paper, right? Put it inside that hole. See that? Right inside that hole. Bear with me, friends. See, right inside that hole. Then you attach your next jump ring, just so it could dangle a little easier, right? And you close that baby up. Close that baby up. Sometimes it may be a little open, right? But that's okay. One of my tricks to that is I just put a tip of a little glue, epoxy, and it holds it right in place. Now you get your earring hook, put that baby on. I could just pull it apart. This one's a different kind of earring hook, so it makes it so much easier. And then you just, voila, there you go. And let me take this off and I'll show you. Like I said, and you put it right on, and there you have it. See? Now, because I don't like it plain like this, I'm going to take this gold shimmer nail polish and paint it. Okay, yes guys, so there you have it, painting it, and look at the beautiful shimmer. See how it came out? Wonderful. So I'm going to do the back and show you here. See that? and just paint it, just because I don't want it plain, so that when it's turning in your ear, you still got a shimmer on both sides. Normally I will let one side dry and then do it, but just for demonstration purposes, I'm showing you guys. So I'm just gonna paint it. And it's kind of hard to hold it like this. So it's better to let one side dry first and do the other so you can lay it flat. Because you can see the other side. Okay? But look at that. Doesn't it look pretty? Just for the glossiness, instead of leaving it plain, I think this is much better. This is much better. This is just my preference. If it's not yours, that's fine. You could do whatever you like. It's endless. Nothing's etched in stone. But this is just an idea for you guys. And look at that. See the difference with the plain versus the black? It's a big difference. So the difference, guys, versus the black and the glitter, big difference. Much better. Right, guys, so look at this beauty. Look at that. Gonna give that time to dry. And that is, oop, I didn't even catch the base up here, so I have to put some on the base up here. Just at the base. So I got that base, and that's it. 4-leaf earrings. If you like this, let me know. Give me a thumbs up if you like this craft. If you don't, that's fine. But there are many different things you could do with 4 leaves. Okay? All right, guys. I'm going to show you something else to do it before we go. Alright guys, look how these beauties turned out. You can find these artificial flowers at the Dollar Tree, right? Inexpensive, using your glue. I use, as I said, some Irie tacky glue, but I think next time I'm going to use epoxy, and then of course using nail polish, glitter nail polish to paint the base, and then you could use your clear to top it off. Otherwise from that, and that's it. It's simple. And you could also turn these beauties into a pendant, up to you. You don't have to use this large big one. So you can see I'm gonna take these two, and this will be the earrings, and this one will turn to the pendant. You know, I was just using any leaf just to show you, but you know, you have all different colors. Falling leaves, falling leaves. All right, my friends, falling. Hello fall. There you have it, a quick DIY for you guys. Fall leaves. Hello fall, hello autumn. So I revamped this. So as you see right here, I made it right, and it doesn't have any resin on it. It's plain, right? It's just a nail polish. So I went and took an extra step, and I used some resin. Oh my God, look at the difference. It's so beautiful. You see the difference, the comparison? Look at that. Resin, no resin. So I'm going to show you exactly what I did. See that beautiful gloss? Oh my goodness. Thank you for watching, guys. Remember to subscribe, like, and share, and hit the bell for notification. Till next time with Jan, just being creative. Bye-bye.